Yo, what up, people? Okay, so it's 2:50 p.m., 5th of November 2021. CRO token going brazy. Just logged into my crypto.com account and noticed my account's doubled. Kind of out of nowhere, so it would seem. I've done 0 TA, so Mr. Harding's gonna give you his analysis and research of what he's been looking at with regards to CRO token. Before that, though, I would like to say I have consistently been saying throughout 2021 that I am personally a big fan of exchange tokens that represent good exchanges, and crypto.com is
a very good exchange.
But yeah, Mr. Harding,
you know what it is? Before we even go anywhere, we have to mention why we think crypto.com is the one. They own the domain crypto.com. Period. Done. Game over. That's all the like that. Like then when it comes to their marketing, these guys are on absolute crud. They
UFC, are Formula One,
everywhere. The partnerships they've got as well in the NFT space are ridiculous. They got Gareth Bale. Like, yo, these guys don't play. We've been saying it for time. These guys are not playing.
2% cashback. All you got to do is stake £300 worth of CRO token. My £300 worth of CRO token that I staked less than 6 months ago are now worth over £700, which is insane.
And then let's do the maths on every purchase that you've made using that CRO token. You got how much percent back?
In the past 5 months, I've easily spent £6,000 on this card. So 2% of 6,000 is £120. And then what I did with that is that I flipped it in other cryptos as well. Because I don't see the point in stacking any more CRO coin. I'm already stacking 2,565.
Now we stacked the whole thing in CRO coin.
Is it? No.
We've not moved.
No, so. bro. I've got a whole crypto.com cashback portfolio.
Mad.
Yeah.
Mad. And that's an easy way of making free crypto. But people just, that was definitely in the episode we did on, quickly, let's check what day, let's just quickly go to the YouTube and check what day we did that episode.
Sure. Guys, I've created about a £500 portfolio from £120 of cashback in the past just under 6 months. That's insane.
So I'm going to the YouTube right now. I'm going to share my screen and go to the YouTube because
also, guys, if anybody's not on crypto.com, on the YouTube, find below myself and Mr. Harding's crypto.com affiliate links. Get some free crypto. So please sign up with any one of ours.
Is this going to show all our private videos when I go here?
Yeah, but it's cool. Fine. Private videos are fine.
We did an episode called Getting Free Crypto. Was it not even there?
No, it'll be on the next page. The next page.
Oh.
You need to scroll like to the very bottom. Yeah, then just go look. Yeah, next page.
All right. Again, I love that we're doing this because it's documented like the kind of views that we're on. Look, how to get free crypto, June 16th.
The day after my birthday.
And we were definitely shilling it way before then as well. Like way before then. But you know, it's what it is. Underappreciated assets in life tend to explode quite late. And I think we are most definitely an underappreciated asset because in June, oh my days, talk about a great price to buy. Look at, oh my God, look at this.
All-time lows.
All-time lows.
Or near enough.
All-time lows with a triple order block. Come on. And then look at that support line there that was there. Yo, guys, if you were sleeping on this when we mentioned this in June.
We said it on the 16th of June, so check the 16th of June.
Nah, we definitely mentioned it before then because otherwise I wouldn't have had these arrows because that's not my
entry. Right, okay, yeah.
So we've been mentioning this for time, bro.
Yeah.
Let's just say it was the June one. Someone watched the episode. 3x, nice. All right, cool. So the TA on this. So the TA on this at the moment, we can see that at the moment, the RSI is at 80. Although what's mad, at this point, the RSI got up to 92. So that says to me, it's actually still got space to go up even further, which is Crazy to think about. Now, one of the things that's definitely incoming is a major pullback on all crypto. So this pullback is going to be what tends to happen is Bitcoin. I'm giving you some Bitcoin TA here as well, which looks a bit mad on my screen right now, as you can tell. So what will tend to happen is Bitcoin will go up to around the all-time high, or maybe it was this point here where the sell order was. It will dip. Everyone will think it's over. And when Bitcoin starts dipping is when alt season is truthfully here. So we're waiting for that moment Bitcoin starts dipping. So we're going to go and have a look at what we call the Bitcoin dominance. And that's the key thing that we're looking for, is the Bitcoin dominance. We're looking for the Bitcoin dominance to dip. Now, as we can see, look what's happened here. There's a really nice resistance here on the Bitcoin dominance, like perfectly clear resistance. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Struggling here. And then there's even order blocks, sell order blocks there on that dominance. So as it goes down, what's going to happen? Alt season is just going to absolutely fly off the chain. So that is what we're waiting for, which is anytime soon, really, is when Bitcoin gets down to this bottom. That's when we're literally in the peak of the frenzy. Now, the additional thing why I'm pretty sure this is going to happen is because if we look at the S&P 500, and those of you that don't realize that the stock market is connected to the crypto market, you're deluded. Yeah, it's
literally crypto fundamentals 101. The stock market runs crypto.
Yeah.
If you don't know that, you don't know anything about crypto.
Yeah, period. So we can see there's been another set of order blocks here on the S&P 500, which explains this. There was the all-time high, there was the resistance, and it's basically used the all-time high resistance as, let me just make sure that is the all-time high. Yeah, it's used that all-time high resistance as the new support for an order block and bounced up here. But when we look at the RSI on it, yeah, this thing's tweaking.
Overvalued as hell.
This is at like what, 77, which is very high for the S&P 500. The last time we were over here was September 2020.
This means that our video, the S&P 500 pullback, is still relevant to this day.
Yep.
The one that we dropped, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yep.
The YouTube channel, yeah, still relevant.
Still majorly relevant. Then when we look at the stochastics, also the stochastics are absolutely tweaking. This is dying to dip below. So the way stochastics works, market tends to go up when the blue line is up over the orange. And then when the orange starts dominating, that's when the markets tends to go down. Then when we look at the moving averages, yes, we are really spaced out on the 20, 50, 100, 200. 200 is nowhere to be seen. But nonetheless, look, the S&P is well overdue a pullback. And it's also, this is going a bit further deeper and technical. It's actually at its 4.236 Fibonacci extension point. And at that moment in time, everyone that works for the Federal Reserve coincidentally was told that they should sell all of their shares, which is quite funny, quinky dinky. But let's see what happens. I'm genuinely expecting this pullback to happen anytime soon, which will then cause Bitcoin to have a pullback, which will then cause the madness in the altcoins to begin. Why? Because what would it mean if this pulled back? It would mean a hell of a lot of people are taking a lot of profit out of the stock market. Where are they going to put that money that they've just taken profit from? I mean, look at the VTI right now. Even the VTI is overextended, which is the Vanguard Total Index, which has over 4,096 stocks in it, which is worth over 1.23 trillion. So yeah, if they take out 2% out of this, that is, what's 2% of that? Let's just say.
Wait, 2% of what?
The of 1.2 trillion. Let's get the facts. Let's just stick to the facts.
1% of 1.2 trillion is 12 billion.
Look how easy it is to get this
24
information,
billion,
guys. Right? It's so easy. You just type in this information, you can see it for yourself. It's not hidden. It's not like some secret information. Yeah, 4,025 stocks, total fund value 1.3 trillion. So let's say this pulls back like I'm expecting, like you can clearly see it's overvalued, and it just pulls back to this order block level, to this resistance here, which is actually also the 20 MA. Let's say it pulls back there. That would be 3% pullback. So yeah, what's 3% of 1.2 trillion?
36 billion.
36.
Yeah, because 1% of 1.2 trillion is 12 billion. 12 times 3 is 36 billion. Do it on a calculator to double check, but my mental math's pretty good. Type in 1.2 trillion on a calculator and then times 3.
So 1 trillion, 1,000. So 10% would be
1% of 1 trillion is 10 billion. It's not 1 billion, it's 10 billion. Because 10% of a trillion is 100 billion. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah.
So 1% of 1.2 trillion is 12 billion.
So yeah, that would be 36 billion if out of just this alone, if this dropped 4%. So that's not even including if we start going to some of these other indexes and these other stocks. So yeah, there's gonna be a bit of money floating about. So yeah, the ultimate thing people are asking though isn't all of that. People are asking, should they stay in? Should they get out? Well, I need to now start hiding this crypto portfolio.
It's getting too lucrative, eh?
Yeah, it's getting a little bit lucrative now.
Oh, you know one thing I missed is Axie Infinity. I didn't catch that one.
We only caught that because Dom wanted to start staking it. There was like a supercharger thing, so we got some, and then we were supercharging it on CRO.
Nice.
So yeah, take profit points. So we've marked off, we've gone past one of them already here. We've blown past the 1.618 Fibonacci, just no respect for it whatsoever. So now we're now literally slap bang on the 2.618. Is this going to go all the way up to the 4.236? Who knows? Like genuinely.
It's unlikely. I think it's going to pull back first. Pull back to at least the 1.618.
Let's calculate that. Let's do a.
Seems like a reasonable drawdown.
I'm gonna calculate it from here. Yeah, we're talking. Oh, okay. The 702 is literally at these order block levels again. So yeah, it might pull back to these order block levels, you know. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, maybe a pullback. You know what? I'm gonna start doing my fib retracements as white.
By the way, guys, just going to take this opportunity to say we've got 3 digital products out now. We've got an ebook, Intro to Crypto Fundamentals. That's £10. Then we've got the top 10 altcoin picks, 5 each from myself, 5 from Mr Harding. The replay's out now for £15. Any paid students, we're going to give that for a tenner. And most exciting of all, dare I say it, no disrespect to the ebook or the replay, but crypto swing trading signal service level 1 out now. You get me? Everything in the link tree. That's £20 a month, and we're going to give you minimum 20 signals per month. We're also going to upgrade to level 2 and 3 for options trading, forex, and the stock market. But for now, yeah, crypto swing trade signal.
And before we finish, let's just show them the results of some of those previous signals, shall we? Because I think they were pretty lucrative. Our clients are very happy with them. Signal service. Okay, so far out of the signal service, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 out of 13 have successfully hit the take profit 1 at least at a minimum. These yellow lines are the take profit points. And then we always recommend people to hold a little bit. So, yep. Mana, very successful. Decentraland, very successful. Engine, very successful. Mask, very successful. D-Rep, very successful. Oh, is this one not gone through? Oh, no, it did. Oh, shame. So this one hit take profit 3. Super, absolutely smashed it. Key, hit take profit 3. Reef, hit take profit 3. Rec, hit take profit. I think we got one of these were start of October. So hit take profit 4. New, this is what we're waiting on at the moment. Oh, this one, the take profit's all the way up here. Technically, I've just given away the signals for free.
All of them?
No, the old ones.
Oh yeah, the old ones, but haven't they expired?
Yeah, technically, yeah. I've just given away one.
Oh shit, we've just got a new subscriber.
I've just given away one of the old ones. So there's just one here. So yeah, I've basically just given you this signal here. Anyone that makes a 5x on this, because we've just given you it, you might want to subscribe. So yeah, I'm going to stop there.
Just got a subscriber right now.
Martin.
So is that all your commentaries with regards to crypto.com?
I think so.
Okay.
Did I just give take profit points?
Oh, it's done now. This video is not being edited. We need to get it out live. Okay, anyone who got that value for free, congratulations for just paying attention. The final thing I want to say is I love crypto.com for cashback, but I'm just going to share with you guys my use case for it. You guys do whatever you want. I do not invest any fiat currency into crypto.com. I have very bad experience with them with regards to putting money on the exchange. I'm still stuck, like I've got money stuck in the crypto.com exchange that I need to talk to customer service about. I'm positive I can get it back. I think it's amazing for cashback. So I always tell people, treat crypto.com, in my opinion, as a cashback service where you can load this cashback debit card. You get 1% for free. If you don't stake £300 worth of CRO, you get 2% cashback, which I'd highly recommend if you stake £300 worth of CRO for 6 months. Again, my £300 worth of CRO is now worth, what's it right now? 786. That's crazy. And then what I do is on the cashback, I like to create my own portfolio. Mr Harding likes to stack his CRO. I don't, because I feel like I'm staking enough. My stake ends in about 4 days. If you guys choose to use the other crypto.com services, do as you wish. But me personally, maybe Mr. Harding has a different experience, but I don't use, the only thing I use their supercharger. I don't use their crypto earners. I've never staked anything with crypto.com. I don't like their exchange, and I wouldn't recommend anyone use their exchange, just as a disclaimer. But yeah, have you got any experiences with regards to the exchange or any game you want to spit with regards to crypto.com? I always tell people treat it as a cashback card. No? Okay, cool. Find our crypto.com links below. Please sign up with either of our links. Pull up to the Monday call every Monday, UK time, 8 p.m. to 9:30. All links to blockchain Sensei, everything, and our link tree down below. Like, comment, subscribe.